Technical University. Now, fundamentally the issue here is that we have created the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University, Tura, in 2011, with emphasis on high quality education in the areas of engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, including technical and related areas. But today, the cabinet took up the matter of establishing its first state-run university, which means that fundamentally we decided to bring this into the cabinet in order that the Captain William Sangma Technical University now will become the Captain William Sangma State University. And since this is the first state university, we will offer courses in higher education in the fields of humanities, commerce, general science, engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, and related matters. So the proposal has been okayed by the Law Department, the Finance Department, and the Personnel Department. And our efforts now will be to try and strengthen the various departments that I mentioned so that this university becomes a success story. Well, there are always more than two ways of looking at things. That's your perspective, that's your opinion. Yeah? The opinion of the majority is that in order to not be bound by a certain regulation, let's have a state university. So that's democracy. You don't see things your way only.
So in that case, when will
Asked and adopted a cabinet memo to change the technical university into a state university. What comes next is the infrastructure, the support, the technical staff, the faculty, right? These will fall in place once the act is adopted.
Can we have more information on this, right?
Probably the space available now will not suffice. We have to go on expansion mode. But with today's technology, everything is possible. And I mentioned very clearly that we will include studies in the department fields of humanities, commerce, general sciences, engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, and related areas. So it's and professional courses as well. So it's all inclusive.